At Global Software Inc., we know that instant access to your data is part of having a fully operational manufacturing system, and that you rely on immediate and accurate data in order to keep the well-oiled machines running. Using Spreadsheet Server, our flagship Excel-based reporting and automation platform, now your data can be automatically assembled and available at a moment's notice, all within Excel. Spreadsheet Server is designed to reduce report preparation and runtime while increasing data integrity in your process via automated population of reports, streamlined analysis, and self-service reporting. This is made possible by a real-time link between Excel, your ERP, and other relational data. To build reports with Spreadsheet Server, end users can simply navigate non-technical parameters while leveraging their existing knowledge of Excel. Empower your team to build any report they need and free up the IT department to handle other tasks. By providing live data in Excel, Spreadsheet Server simplifies your reporting process and allows for more proactive business decisions. Whether you're creating financial reports, sales quotes, tracking inventory and orders, or viewing customer transactions, Spreadsheet Server provides enhanced flexibility and eliminates manual processes. With Spreadsheet Server, you can drill down into transaction detail without ever leaving Excel. This provides more efficient analysis from your ERP and any relational database. Drill down further to a more detailed view. You can even drill to an invoice image and originating transactions. Easily export those details into an email, Excel, or PDF file with a single click. Use Query Designer to design custom reports without having to call in the IT specialists. Easily blend data from several sources into a single Excel report, eliminating multiple exports and staging areas and complementing existing BI applications. When it's time to send reports to financial officers, executives, or board members, Distribution Manager gives you the power to decide who receives which data, when, and in what format. No more copying and pasting, no more manual email attachments. Convert formulas to values, apply password protection, and include attachments all in one step. Then build a customized distribution list to get your report into the right hands. The outcome is an intuitive and efficient process that maximizes your time, resources, and effort in accessing, reporting, and analyzing data from your ERP. In fact, 74% of surveyed manufacturing industry users found that Spreadsheet Server provided them with faster, streamlined report creation, freeing up anywhere from 50 to more than 300 hours in 1 year. More and more manufacturers now have smarter data with Spreadsheet Server, experiencing faster data access, streamlined reports, and a significant uptick in efficiency. To learn more, visit globalsoftwareinc.com.